Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some essential tips on how to look clean and put together effortlessly. Whether you're heading to school, work, or just want to feel fresh and confident every day, these simple habits will help you achieve that clean and polished look. Skincare for a fresh face. A clear, glowing complexion instantly makes you look clean and healthy. Stick to a simple skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply sunscreen daily. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps remove dead skin cells, giving you a naturally radiant glow. Maintain neat hair. Clean, well-groomed hair makes a huge difference. Wash your hair regularly based on your hair type and ensure it's styled neatly. If you're in a rush, a sleek ponytail or a simple bun can make you look effortlessly polished. Wear fresh and well-fitted clothes. Wearing clean, wrinkle-free and well-fitted clothes enhances your overall appearance. Choose neutral, pastel or solid colours for a classic and put-together look. Don't forget to check for stains, pet hair or lint before heading out. Smell fresh. Good hygiene is a must. Shower regularly, use deodorant, and apply a fresh, light perfume or body mist. Fresh breath is equally important, so brush your teeth at least twice a day and carry mints or gum for a quick refresh. Grooming and minimal makeup. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. A simple, natural makeup look can enhance your features while maintaining a fresh appearance. Groom your brows and apply a light lip balm or gloss for a healthy look. Posture and confidence. Looking clean isn't just about hygiene and clothing, it's also about how you carry yourself. Stand tall, smile, and exude confidence. A good posture and a positive attitude make you appear more polished and put together. Make eye contact when speaking to others and practice walking with poise. Taking care of your mental well-being by getting enough sleep and managing stress also contributes to a fresh and lively appearance. Maintaining a good routine, staying organized, and practicing self-care all add to the overall impression of cleanliness and refinement. By following these simple habits, you can always look clean, fresh, and elegant. Remember, looking clean is not just about appearances, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Taking care of yourself, practicing good hygiene, and maintaining a positive mindset will reflect in how you present yourself to the world. Confidence is key, and when you feel fresh and put together, you naturally radiate that energy to others. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite tip, and let me know what other topics you'd like me to cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fresh, stay confident, and always be your best self. Bye for now. Love.